as far as I know.
I don't think he is.
I know he made the Alabama ballot, and he can get on whatever ballot he wants.
Yeah.
But at least the reporting I heard this morning, again confirmed that he was planning on skipping the first 4 states. So he would come in on Super Tuesday.
Wow.
And that's why he's going to be able to spend so much money.
Bad strategy, though, because it'll be over by then. It certainly was for Giuliani. Everybody waited in Florida for everybody to catch up to him, and they'd already passed him by. Bye-bye. It did not work.
It did not work. I mean, Rubio sort of did that in the last primary as well. He tried to compete in certain early states, but he went all in on Florida.
Mm-hmm.
And again, that didn't work. Doesn't seem to be one of those things that works all that well. But think about this, Pat. Here's a guy who is $50 billion of wealth, and he says he might spend up to $1 billion on this campaign. $1 billion.
Wow.
And this is an experiment that's never been tried, really. I mean, Ross Perot obviously is the most obvious example. He comes in with his own money. He has a lot to spend, but he didn't spend anywhere close. I mean, I think he might have spent $60 or $70 million the entire campaign. And he was running for a general and had to get on ballots as an independent.
Mm-hmm.
Trump ran last time, kind of talked about self-funding, but never. I mean, he spent about $50 million of his own money on the campaign, which is a hell of a lot of money. But that's not a self-funding thing. I mean, he was still getting a lot of donations and got tons of help money-wise from the RNC and all these other sources. There was one attempt back in, I think it was 1980, where the Libertarian candidate, they put one of the Koch brothers was the vice presidential candidate, so they could spend whatever they wanted, and it was a Koch brother at the number 2 slot. And, it helped. I mean, they had, I think, their highest vote total of the entire party's history, with the exception of, 2016, was the one that beat it, with Gary Johnston. But still, it's an interesting thought, in that all these problems that you have as a candidate, when you go out and you're trying to go raise money, and you're trying to, kiss butt to everybody. I mean, they're saying Bloomberg's not even going to be out doing speeches. He's just running ads. He's like running a campaign like a fantasy team. He's just, he's not going out, he's not training, he's not running sprints, he's not learning plays. He's just the fantasy team GM, and he's kind of running ads. You can spend them, and it's a well-done ad if any of that stuff appeals to you. I don't know that any of it does appeal to the Democratic Party today.
Taking a match the U.S. Constitution doesn't appeal to you? Just burn up the U.S. Constitution.
That should appeal, though, to the Democratic Party. He should just say he's doing that.
More coming up in 60 seconds.